So pictures of this are all over social media. The Arc de Triomphe seems to be covered in some sort of fabric. So 3 questions: what is happening, who did this, and why? Well, let's find out.
This is the Arc de Triomphe and one very controversial work of art.
So before we start looking at what is happening right now, let's take a quick history lesson. The Arc de Triomphe is one of the most famous monuments in Paris. It was built to honor those who fought and died for France in the French Revolutionary and Napoleon Wars, with the names of all French victories and generals inscribed on its inner and outer surfaces. It is also famous as being that junction in the world where 12 roads come and meet. Also, some of you might know it from one of DJ Snake's live performance, as he had held a concert there. Okay, so now let's come back to this cloth covering. Originally when I saw these pictures, I thought the monument is going through some restoration, so they've covered it. But it turns out it's actually an art installation. And here is where things get interesting. It is a proposal that was made back in 1962. The 2 artists whose idea this is were Christo and Jean-Claude. They were artists noted for their large-scale, site-specific environmental installations. And by the way, this is not the first time that they've covered a huge monument in fabric.
From surrounding a string of Florida islands in vibrant pink fabric to draping New York Central Park in billowing orange.
In 1985, they had wrapped the Pont Neuf in Paris, and in 1995, they even wrapped the Riedstag in Germany. So they're sort of known for working with fabric and either making things out of them or just covering buildings with them. Okay, so let's come back to our topic of the day, the Arc de Triomphe. So back in 1961, this was 3 years after Christo and Jean-Claude met, they started making public works of art. So in one of their projects, they actually wanted to wrap a public building. So when Christo arrived in Paris, he rented a small room near the Arc de Triomphe. He saw this monument every day and was very attracted to it. So in 1962, he made a proposal to cover this whole monument in fabric. And finally, 60 years later, it's actually coming to life. By the way, just FYI, both the artists have actually passed away. Jean-Claude passed back in 2009 and Christo passed away just last year. But they actually wanted that their works of art should still be worked on even after they're dead. So their teams are sort of making this come true. Okay, so this art installation that we see, 1,200 people had been working on this for the past 2 months. They covered the entire monument with 25,000 square meters of recyclable polypropylene fabric in silvery blue and also in 3,000 meters of red rope. The exhibit opened on 18 September 2021 and will go on till 3rd October 2021. Also, fun fact, the money to actually do this, which was approximately $16 million according to Bloomberg City Labs, came completely from the artists themselves. They sold their prints and artworks that they had created over the years to raise money for this project. And for doing this and paying for the project themselves, it gave them complete artistic freedom. Okay, let's come to our main question of the day. Why did they do this? Why did they cover this entire monument in fabric? The answer to that is actually the same as why Picasso made human bodies look like this, why this NFT was sold for $69 million, and why Kim Kardashian just covered herself head to toe for the Met Gala. The answer is art. I'll be completely honest, I tried researching a lot as to some reasoning, some thought, what was it, why did they want to do this? I couldn't really find anything. So my best guess is this was just a work of art. It was an expression to make you feel feelings. And by the way, feelings have been felt. Some people are loving what has been done and some people are hating it. And I mean really hating it. To me personally, it looks interesting. It is a way of keeping things fresh. Of course, the Arc de Triomphe will go back to how it was. So this is like a nice freshness. What are your thoughts? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you have no feelings towards it whatsoever? Whatever is the case, let me know down in the comments below. Also, while you're down there, do give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to Blessed Dark. And I will see you guys soon with more such content. Until then, bye-bye. No, but also actually tell me, what do you guys really think of it? Like, tell me your actual thoughts. Like, let's have a conversation in the comments below.